Hello everyone and welcome to my Yellow Bells. Today I'm going to make strawberry chia pudding and these are the ingredients. To start with, I'm pouring 1.5 cups of almond milk into the blender. Usually, I soak the chia seeds into the liquid, but this time, because I'm using frozen strawberries, I'm going to blend it. Now, I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of chia seeds. That's 2. That's 3. And 4. For a nicer aroma and taste of your chia pudding, it is advisable to add vanilla extract. Now I'm adding my frozen strawberries. And to make it a little bit sweeter, I add some honey, just a tablespoon. Now we will cover our blender and start blending. Once you're satisfied with the consistency of your chia pudding, you can transfer this to serving glasses and leave it in the fridge for half an hour just to let the chia seeds soak more on the liquid. Then it will be ready to serve. There you have it guys, my strawberry chia pudding.